Hi, welcome again to ASP.NET Core tutorial. In this video, we will learn how can we configure the password that we are using for the sign up process. Let's open the Visual Studio and let's run this application by pressing Ctrl F5. Click on the register button. Let's enter some dummy details in this form. Let's enter a password. Click on the create button. And here you can notice that we are having an error message that the password must be at least 6 character and it must have at least one non-alphanumeric character. This password must have at least one lowercase and one uppercase. So who is configuring these password for us? If we are not making any change for the password, then by default the identity framework is configuring these settings for us. Now suppose I want to customize these settings, then let's see how can we do that. Let's open the Visual Studio again. In order to configure the password setting, we need to open the startup class, and in this startup class we need to configure few settings over here. Okay, so we can use this services dot configure, and in the configure we can pass the identity options. Then by using the lambda expression, and here we can configure all the settings for this identity framework. Suppose we need to configure the settings for the password, then we can access the password settings by using this options parameter, then dot password and then dot. So here you can notice that we have couple of properties. We can set these properties and we can update the settings for the password. Here we have required digit, then we have required length, required unique characters, required lowercase, required non-alphanumeric uppercase and lowercase. We can configure all these settings over here. Here I am writing required length. Suppose the length of the password should be minimum 5 characters. So here I can define 5. Let's define the other settings. So here I have defined few settings for this password. Required length is 5. Required unique characters is 1. It means there must be at least one unique character in this password. You can also update it to the like 2, 3 and 4 based on your requirement. Required digit, no, we do not need any required digit. Basically we just need the length of 5 in this password. Perfect. Let's run this application in debug mode. Click on the register button. Let's enter some details over here. Click on the create button. We already have a debugger over here. Let's verify the details. So here is the password 12345. This is the email nitish.webgentle@gmail.com, first name and last name. Let's click on the continue button. We do not have any error message over here. It means a user has been added successfully in the database. Let's click on this execute button. And here is the username nitish.webgentle@gmail.com. Here you can notice that we are using a different password that we have configured by using the identity options, and we are storing all these values over here in this database. Configuring a password in identity is very easy. You can set all the properties and you can get the password based on your application need. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.